dolls, I'm back with another get ready with me video. I'm attending a brunch today. There's a friend of mine has invited me. It's about wedding planning, so obviously makeup has a lot to do with wedding planning, so I'm gonna go there and try and network. But yeah, that is where I'm going today. So guys, this is the final look of the Dior palette. I told you guys I received this palette at Christmas. I've been waiting to use it, but this palette is gorgeous. Like the colours in it are so nice. So I'm really happy to use it. This is the look I came up with. If you guys want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching and I will catch you guys in my next post. Hey guys, today is a get ready with me video because I am actually going to a brunch today. Come along, get ready with me. You're gonna see my whole look, my face, my hair. Well, my hair's already done, but you're gonna see my face and what I will be wearing as well. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my skin. So I've been using the Makeup Academy Pro Beige Primer Oil. I love this oil. I like how the makeup sits on top of it, so I'm gonna just pop some of that on. I'm also going to add a little bit of this liquid glow illuminator, and it's from Girls with Attitude. I just picked this up from a company called Savers where you get toiletries from, so I just saw it, so I just bought it. So we're going to go in with my Born This Way foundation, color Caramel. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques brush 205. And I'm going in with my foundation, so I'm just going to pop that on in the areas where I want there to be coverage. In the way that I've been applying my foundation lately, I do actually find that I use a way less product. I actually really do like this method of applying it. I'm going to add my concealer, and I'm going to be using this little brush, and it's 207, Real Technique 207 brush. This brush is so good to use because it's so little and it gets exactly where you want it to get to. Use way less product. That is the aim. I'm gonna go in with my Light Tan Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna just add that on top of the matte concealer that I've just added. I just drag it down a little bit on the outer corners. Pop some on my forehead. Then I'm gonna add my NYX concealer, HD concealer, and this is in Beige. This is a really light concealer. So I just pop that on top just to get that desired lightness. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer as well. This is in Cocoa, and I'm going to use this to contour with. Just pop that in the area that I want to contour. I'm going to get my Real Technique brush 206, and I'm going to start blending all this out. So I'm starting off with my foundation first. And I'm going to just go in with my Real Technique 402 brush, and I'm going to start blending out the concealer. .202 Real Technique brush to blend out this concealer. Concealer brush that I was using, so I'm just going to go back over that area. I haven't added any more products, just to try and, you know, blend that contour. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Lace Setting Powder, and I'm also using the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder as well. So I put them in different areas. Okay, so I'm going to just add some Sacha Buttercup under my eye first. So this is the first setting powder that I use. I'm gonna get my Hoola and I'm gonna just go over the areas that I just contoured. So I'm gonna use this powder to soften this baby up, using the 204 Real Techniques brush to do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to add some blush. And the blush I'm going to add is the MAC Pinch O Peach blush. So I'm going to just add a little bit of that on. So now I'm going to start on the eyes. The palette I'm going to be using today is this Dior palette. I actually got it as a Christmas present from my sister-in-law Dion. Shouts out to you. I'm going to be using this gorgeous palette. This palette is so bomb. It's so nice. So I'm going to just go in with this. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to come up with something and I'm going to make that work. So I am going to prime my eyelids. You already know what I'm using. PLouise base in Rumour 03. So guys, I didn't do my eyebrows yet. I missed a step, but not to worry. I'm just going to finish off priming my eyelids and then I'm just going to do my eyebrows quick. Conceal under my brows with the MAC Pot NC42, my cute little handy dandy 207 Real Techniques brush. So we are going to start with this beautiful palette, and it is the Dior palette and I got it at Christmas. So let's get started. I'm gonna go in with this pretty cream color here. Dip that all over my lids. And with this shade here, start off in the corner, quite pigmented, yes. And I'm going to go back with that lighter colour that I used first. I'm just going to put that more here on my lid. Then I'm going to go with this pretty sparkly colour here. Just went back over with the same brush that I used with this colour. I didn't add any more product, just sweat back over it just to try and neaten up that glitter that I just added with my finger. Just grab another brush because I'm going to try and incorporate all of the colours in this look. So I'm going to go in with this colour here, which is this pretty chocolate brown glitter. I'm just going to add that right here. I'm going to go in with this pink here, the last colour that I haven't used, and I'm going to just see if I can just add that up here. So I'm going to add my liquid eyeliner, NYX Vinyl liquid eyeliner. So just gonna add that on now. So this is the Better Than Sex Toofaced mascara. Love this mascara, it's so good. So good. I want to try the Fenty one because that one looks magical. So let me do the bottom lashes. I'm going to use the same colours, so I'm just going to get a brown, that first brown that I used. Okay, so I just did my waterline with that nude. Sorry, I put on my setting spray and then I blend it out just to give it that moistness, and it really helps this to glow. So I got this lip liner from the drugstore. I really wanted a dark lip liner and I found it there. So I've been using this lip combo lately. It's just a really dark brown. And then I've got this lip gloss, and this is from Makeup Revolution, and it is in color Gone Rogue. Face is done. I will be back with my clothes on and you'll see what I look like for this brunch that I'm attending today, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video.